Today, I am continuing with a series on sardines or talle, and it will be bilingual in English and Konkani because earlier we have done on shetka, vellu, and on crabs, as well as there is a series on tiger prawns as well, and those videos were highly appreciated on my YouTube channel. And this time now I am going to give information on talle, because this is talle and sardines and mackerels, bangde constitute 60% of the total fish catch of Goa gets roughly from 75,000 metric ton to 1,15,000 metric ton annual marine fish yield. Although the maximum sustainable yield according to NIO is to be maintained at 80,000 metric tons, so that the fish is not depleted, the diversity is not depleted. So in the next few videos we will see, आम्ही पळया की आम्ही ताल्ल्याच्या बद्दल थोडी इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊया, कित्याक आज गरिबांक सुद्धा परवडपा सारकें नुस्तें आसा तें म्हणजे ताल्ले. एक ताल्ल्याचो वांटो 15-20 ताल्ले आयले जाल्यार जेवण बरें जाता. आनी ह्या बाबतीन आतां जे व्हिडिओ हांव आतां तयार करतलो तातूंत खुबशी मदत ह्या बाबतीन एक्सपर्ट जी आसा नुस्त्याचें जेवण, शिवराक जेवण आनी सगळ्या तरेच्या जेवणा बद्दल ती म्हजी मिसेस मेलिंदा पेरेरा ही म्हाका मदत करतली, आनी ताका थोडे क्वेश्चन हांव विचारतलो आनी ताजी उत्तरां ते दितले, ती रेकॉर्ड जातली. शी वील बी आन्सरींग माय वायफ सर्टन क्वेश्चन्स ऑन sardines, and that will also be recorded on these videos.